Oh, fried chicken.
Yes, we're gonna try it first time ever.
Okay.
Okay, I've mixed my.
Oh, fried chicken.
Yeah, we're gonna give it a go.
Oh, fried chicken.
Yeah, we're gonna give it a go. First time ever.
Okay, so what have we been doing here?
I'm trying to do some tender chicken tender.
So what did you do here?
Buttermilk,
Buttermilk.
chicken,
Some chicken.
salt, cayenne pepper, garlic, and paprika
Okay,
And
and
in
you let
there-
it marinate it for how long?
for at least 4 hours.
4 hours, alright.
And in there, I've got a mix of plain flour,
Which will be your
paprika.
breading, yeah?
That's right.
Flour.
Paprika, a bit of baking powder. That's the recipe I found. Salt. And paprika and a bit of cayenne pepper as well, just to give a little kick.
Crispy.
I haven't even tried it yet.
Okay, go for it. It was crunchy. Tender?
Yeah.
Try the crispy bit here on the end.
Crunchy. Good.
Are you enjoying, mommy?
Yeah.
It's really good.
Little kick of cayenne pepper.
That's why I got all of these.
Cool.